The unboxing experience is clean, premium, and well-considered, mirroring the charger's minimalist and lifestyle-oriented design. Inside the box, the charging station is securely housed and immediately makes a strong first impression thanks to its soft-touch, leather-like surface paired with a solid aluminum structure. Mukiya includes everything needed to get started properly: the 3-in-1 MagSafe charging stand, a 20-watt USB Type-C wall charger, a USB-C to USB-C cable, and a clear user manual. This is an important detail, as many MagSafe chargers underdeliver by excluding a suitable power adapter. Here, Mukiya ensures optimal performance out of the box, reinforcing a sense of completeness and attention to user experience. Mukiya's design language is one of this product's strongest assets. Inspired by classic camera aesthetics, the charger blends retro character with modern minimalism. The leather-textured surface adds warmth and grip, while the aluminum frame provides rigidity and durability. Internally, the charger is equally well thought out. Mukiya uses premium thermal silica gel, an internal cooling pad, and an active heat dissipation design to keep temperatures impressively low during fast charging. In real-world use, the charger remains noticeably cooler than many competing MagSafe stands, which directly contributes to long-term battery health. The integrated breathing nightlight is subtle, tasteful, and functional. With multiple brightness levels, it clearly communicates charging status without introducing harsh blue light, making it ideal for bedside use. The Mukiya Foldable 3-in-1 MagSafe wireless charging station is a thoughtfully engineered solution for Apple users who value performance, portability, and design in equal measure. It successfully combines fast MagSafe charging, strong magnetic alignment, intelligent thermal management, and a genuinely compact foldable design into a single, refined product. This is an ideal charger for users who want a single, elegant hub for their iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods, without sacrificing charging speed or desk aesthetics. Add in the included 20-watt charger, quiet nightlight, and excellent build quality, and the Mukiya charger positions itself as a premium yet practical everyday companion. For anyone invested in the Apple ecosystem and looking to simplify their charging setup at home or on the go, this is a product that delivers both convenience and confidence every single day. Using the Mukiya charger day-to-day is genuinely satisfying. The MagSafe alignment is immediate and precise, thanks to the integrated N52 grade magnets, which firmly snap the iPhone into the correct charging position with no need for adjustment. Whether used flat, partially folded, or fully upright, the magnetic hold remains secure, even with one-handed placement. The adjustable viewing angle makes the charger particularly well suited for Apple's standby mode, FaceTime calls, or media playback. The hinge mechanism feels smooth yet firm, allowing confident angle adjustments without drift or wobble. When fully folded, the charger transforms into a card-sized slab, making it one of the most travel-friendly 3-in-1 chargers I have used. Charging all three devices simultaneously feels seamless. The iPhone charges at up to 15-watt MagSafe speed. The Apple Watch dock is perfectly aligned for instant charging, and the AirPods charging pad is generously sized and case-friendly.